Hey there, I just wanted to give you a quick update here. On a whim, I decided to dig up one of the plants that potatoes that I had put in the ground here. I didn't remember if they were store-out ones, just grocery store ones. I just threw in the ground to see if they grow as a test, or if they were red Pontiacs that I had saved from last year. And the leaves had started to kind of dry out, and it didn't look like it was doing all that great. I guess it was doing okay, just needed a little watering, but I figured, you know what? Let me just go ahead and dig them up just as a fun little test to have a little fun today. So I dug this one up because I have plenty left of potatoes over there. This is really just my test plot. I just threw some in here and wasn't sure which ones they were, but apparently they're the ones that from one of the ones I'd saved last year, the red Pontiacs. Just some quick digging. You see, I decided to start a video after I had already dug up a few, but you see I already have this so far. A decent size, a couple small marble ones that hadn't finished growing yet, but let's see what else is in here. I can't remember how many plants were here. This looks like it could have been one or two. I see another one here somewhere. I mean, this is just amazing. Simply amazing. Saved last year. Here's another one. Yeah, look at that. I mean, decent size. And look, they really could go at least another month, if not more. And these were literally just thrown on the ground and covered in hay. These were not buried. And it looks like it's all from this side. Let's see what else is over here. Because look, I still have this one here. I really could let these go, but let's screw it up. Let's just let's see what we got. Let's have some fun, right? I imagine over here is going to be more, because I see more eyes over here. Let's pull this stuff out of the way. And he's come off with that one. Look at that. Amazing. Just amazing. That came out over here. Let's get some of this stuff out of my way. Are there any more over here? That might be it, actually. I thought there might be more. Well, I'm going to stop the video here. It was just supposed to be a fun little quick little test just to see. But as you see, not bad. Not bad. I mean, this one had two decent ones. Look at that. And the other three are smaller, but still good. Well, I'll upload this later. Hope you enjoy. This was just a test, and you know, they're looking pretty decent shape. Slightly cracking from uneven watering, from not really being watered, but look at that. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 potatoes from that little test. There could be more over here, but like I said, they were on the ground, so they're not like they're going to be buried under too deep. Well, enjoy.